Asymptotes are polar curves. Working, put r equal to 1 upon u. Find the limit of theta as u tends to 0. Let theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, and dot 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 theta n are the limits obtained. Then next step is find p equal to limit minus d theta by du for each theta. When theta tends to theta I, u tends to 0. And last point is asymptotes will be p equal to r sine theta I minus theta. Let's understand these points through some examples. Question number 1. Find the asymptotes for r equal to 2a divided by 1 plus 2 cos theta. So here we convert it u equal to 1 upon r. So here we will get 1 upon u, and then we have to express this in terms of u. So 1 upon u equal to 2a upon 1 plus 2 cos theta, or 2au equal to 1 plus 2 cos theta. Now, the second step is when u tends to 0, we have to find out the limits for theta. So let's write it. When u tends to 0, then cos theta 1. So cos theta 1. So this is 0, then cos theta 1, here theta is replaced by theta 1, so we will get minus half. And that is equivalent to cos 2 pi by 3. And we know from trigonometric equations, if cos x equal to cos y, then x equal to 2n pi plus minus y. The same rule we can apply here. So we get theta 1 equals 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3, where n can have any positive or negative integer values like plus 1, plus 2, etc. Now we differentiate the equation here, this 2au equal to 1 plus 2 cos theta. So we get 2a, we are differentiating it with respect to theta. So 2a du upon d theta equals, this will become minus 2 sine theta. We can shift this du upon d theta to RHS. So we get d theta upon du equal to minus a upon sine theta, or minus d theta upon du equal to a cosec theta. Now, second step we have obtained. Now let's go to third step. So we write p equal to limit theta tends to theta 1 here minus d theta upon du. And we have got the value of minus d theta upon du as a cosec theta. So we write limit theta tends to theta 1, a cosec theta. And now we put the value of theta. So a cosec, and we have got the value of theta here as 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3. So we write it here, 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3. So we further simplify it. We know that cosec 2n pi plus minus theta gives plus minus cosec theta. So from there, we will get p equal to a with plus minus sign, a cosec 2 pi by 3. And then we put the value of cosec 2 pi by 3. Cosec 2 pi by 3 is equal to 2 by root 3. So our value of p will be equal to a times 2 divided by root 3. Now, next step is to get the equation of asymptotes in the form of p equal to r sine theta I minus theta. So let's write it. The equation of asymptote is given by p equal to r sine theta 1 minus theta. And we have got the value of p as 2a upon root 3 plus minus 2a upon root 3 equal to r sine, in place of theta 1 we put 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3 minus theta. And then this is sine, so it will become r sine, then this will remain plus minus 2 pi by 3 minus theta. Here we have applied formula sine 2n pi plus minus x gives sine x. Now further, we write it. We can remove this plus minus sign from both sides. We take it out. So this will become 2a upon root 3 equal to r sine 2 pi by 3. And this sign will change because of this. So this will become minus plus theta. And this is our required equation. Now let's take second question. We are given r equal to a sec theta plus b tan theta. So we simplify it. Cos theta is 1 upon, sorry, sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. So we write a plus, this is b sine theta divided by cos theta. So this is value of r. And we are going to put r equal to 1 upon u. So we will get u equal to just inverse of it. So cos theta divided by a plus b sine theta. We find du upon d theta. So cosine rule applies. A plus b sine theta, denominator, into differentiation of numerator minus sine theta, minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. So b cos theta whole divided by denominator square a plus b sine theta whole square. Now we simplify. Here this will become minus b sine square theta. This is minus b cos square theta. So minus b will be common, and the sine square theta plus cos square theta will become 1. So we will get minus a sine theta plus b divided by a plus b sine theta whole square. Now we have u equal to this value. When u tends to 0, so this cos theta will be 0. And we can say that theta, here let's write it as theta 1. So theta 1 will be equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n is an integer. Now we find p. P is given by limit theta tends to theta 1 minus d theta upon du. So this will be equal to limit theta tends to theta 1, and d theta by du will be just inverse of it. So Since there is negative sign, so if you make it negative, so this sign will get cancelled. So we will get a plus b sine theta whole square divided by a sine theta plus b. Now, we put the value of theta as 2n plus 1 pi by 2 here and here. So we will get p equal to a plus b sine 2n plus 1 pi by 2 whole square divided by a sine 2n plus 1 pi by 2 plus b. Now, let's take this pi by 2 inside. So it will become a plus b sine 2 will cancel out and we will get n pi plus pi by 2 and then whole square divided by a sine, this will become n pi plus pi by 2 plus b. Now further, here sine n pi plus pi by 2 will become, so sine n pi plus pi by 2 can be written as minus 1 power n sine pi by 2. So we will get p equals a plus b times minus 1 power n sine pi by 2 whole square divided by a into minus 1 power n sine pi by 2 plus b. But sine pi by 2 is 1. So we can further write it as a plus b into minus 1 power n whole square divided by a times minus 1 power n plus b. We have got the value of p. Then we have to write the equation of asymptotes. The equation of asymptotes is given by p equal to r sine theta 1 minus theta or theta I minus theta, it depends. So let's write the value of p, this value here. So this will become a plus b into minus 1 power n whole square divided by a times minus 1 power n plus b and r sine, in place of theta 1, we have got here theta 1 is 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So we write this value again. So sine 2n plus 1 pi by 2 minus theta, or LHS keeping intact, RHS r sine, if we open the bracket, this will become n pi plus pi by 2 minus theta. Now, here we can write it further. So sine n pi can be removed. So it will become r sine, but sine n pi is equal to minus 1 power n. Sorry, sine n pi plus theta is minus 1 power n sine theta. So this formula we can apply here. So this will become minus 1 power n times r sine pi by 2 minus theta. And we know sine pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. So our next step will be minus 1 power n or cos theta, which is required result. Thank you for watching.